Provo River, Labor Day 2017. We're going to do a guided raft thing down the Provo River. Getting a shuttle here. This is the end point. Kayakers and tubers and stuff. Getting a shuttle, go up the roadways, and then we float back down. Major busy, as you might expect on a Labor Day. Just lots and lots of people. Beautiful day though. Perfect day for it. I think temps are in the low 90s. The river looks beautiful. All right, we got off the shuttle, went a few miles up the road. Those are the rafts we're going to get on. And the river's over there, next to the mountains.
I want to go swimming.
Okay, we're getting closer. There's the guided raft. It's not whitewater rafting, but it's close. Should be neat.
My name's Brayden.
Hi, Brayden. I'm Nancy. This is Larry.
Nancy and Larry, nice to meet you guys. Thank you for being very patient.
Got our own guide here.
Is it okay to put 1 foot over?
Definitely.
Absolutely wonderful.
Throw your whole body over if you want.
Pull up.
Just float along. Yeah, this is so nice.
It's a beautiful day.
That's perfect.
It's supposed to be a lot hotter too, so.
Yes, high of 96 or something, but it's okay. We're moving.
Yeah.
It was hot on the bus.
Where are you from?
I grew up down in Arizona.
Oh.
You work.
Very
I
pleasant.
work 5 to 6 days on average a week. Usually get about 60 hours
Guy
in a week. But
happens to
second
know some
summer,
people that we know in
I was working all
Alaska.
the time.
He used to drive tour buses
usually
up
about
there
75 hours.
for Princess Cruise.
And sometimes I'd get a day off. But I mean, even when
It's kind of nice having our own raft.
You're tired.
I was exhausted, yeah.
Did you get to ride the train?
I've never ridden the train.
What a nice spot by the river here.
Yeah,
That
it's
house.
still on my bucket. I still have a huge Alaska bucket.
All right, this is good.
Still got to fish for kings. Still got to go halibut fishing.
Some people fishing up there.
So this is not very deep.
It's about average 3 feet.
Yeah, it's about 3 or 4 feet deep.
Yeah, it's not big. There's probably about 20.
Wanted to try this out, so we got a group on.
Touch the bottom.
So the first of the spring, was it pretty fast?
All right.
It was, yeah. Did you hear shit?
Right.
It's a lot of fun. Because there's not a lot of sitting around when you're saving fishing.
Nope.
At least not on the Kenai.
No.
Yeah, that's
Nope.
crazy fishing. I've only done that once,
Yeah.
just for the experience.
Because y'all look so awesome. Little rabbits there. Very neat.
From what I heard, you could, I mean, you had to have the glasses and everything, but people could see it. It didn't totally cover it.
Chatted with him for a few minutes.
Some people said
Starts back to
it
school
was pretty
tomorrow.
neat, but I mean, I saw the whole eclipse, and it was incredible. Almost.
It's been the roughest part so far. Provo River Rapids.
It doesn't really make a difference. The only thing a paddle does is gives you a little more reach when you run into the trees to push yourself up.
I was worried about the fisherman. We had some
Yeah.
friends that went down, and his mom took out a fisherman.
Oh yeah?
Because I thought, how do you control the tubes?
With their hands.
Looping's not my favorite.
Bumper kayaking.
I want a recording of that.
Guy trying to fish over there. Good time on the Provo River. Another guide over there.
Weaver! A little easy on the lakes.
So all kinds of little watercraft. You got surfboards or whatever that people stand on. And you got kayaks. rafts, all kinds of ways to go down the river. Going around the bend.
I guess with the tubes you just have to know where the shallow parts are so you don't...
Every now and then there's some small rapids. That's always fun for everyone. But our guide will safely guide us through.
Yeah, we have a lot of moose in the yard.
These two guys were
And we
fine.
saw one bear.
And I saw a lot of like bear paw prints whenever I go. There we go. Bridge right here.
Wind kind of picking up.
Kind of know what you're doing. So.
Footbridge there.
Let's hope we don't get hooked.
Yeah. Well, in your fishing
The bridge was built, I think, back in 1908.
It's a 100-year-old bridge.
There we go.
All right, we made it through the Treasure's 100-year-old bridge. That's the scariest part. It's a half of movies. Beautiful day. Everybody having fun on the river. Pretty good wind, so it's our guide is having to actually paddle, so it's not just a float. It's just you got to paddle to make progress. I have to give him a good tip. All right, these two are going to do the headstand on the surfboard. Woo! I love it.
That was amazing.
These two blokes have been floating next to us the whole time. Really annoying. But we've dealt with it. Those aren't your church shoes, are they?
Nope.
Okay.
They're just regular workout shoes. That is his phone.
That is his phone. Very risky.
I like to live life on the edge, you know. Oh, it's my best idea.
A little farther down the road. Going around right. There's that silly guy
It's the challenge.
with an iPhone in his mouth.
Well, that's the thing. I feel like, and I mean, since I